Right, today we're going to bring a whiteboard. We're going to set it up and see how big it is. So first of all, I got this because I do have a little lab. I'm working on a couple of things. I want to make sure I write things down and I want to make it movable. So we're going to set it up and see how it looks. They give you the whiteboards, the pages, and they give you the tires, the accessories, and actually dry markers and all the poles, and then of course very well protected the whiteboard itself. Now we're gonna open it up and see how high it is because I want it at least a bit about 6 feet, so that's what I'm looking for. So if not, we're gonna have to increase the size because I actually need it a little higher than that. All right, let's take a look at the actual whiteboard. It's about 6 feet tall. They give you magnetics with different colors: green, red, and blue. Now it does come with dry erasers, all right, and a dry markers, all right. So they're out of the box, ready to go. The eraser has a magnet in the back, so you go erase everything and just keep it back. My recommendation is put some moisture on it or get a little spray too. Now they do have a base in the bottom. You can leave all your stuff. They give you 2 clips in here so you can hang your stuff in here. The best thing I like about this, you push the button, push it down, flip it over, and start again. So anything you want to save, write it in the back, flip it over, start again. Now it is about 6 feet tall. It took me about 10 minutes to assemble, 10 to 15 minutes to assemble. Very simple, no tools necessary, everything out of the box. They give you an Allen wrench, the Phillips, and a little wrench to actually tighten the wheels. The wheels are very simple to install. They do have locks. Now I like this board. They give you a little base in here so you can add more features. Now you can't add too much weight in here because it's only made for erasers and markers and maybe the liquid itself. So that's about it. Now another great thing about it is that I like about it is that if it's too high, the whiteboard, you can actually adjust it to 2 different levels, if you can see that. So you can lower the actual whiteboard shorter. If you have a conference room that has smaller tables, or maybe it's too high for you, you can lower the whole system down. It's very adjustable, very sturdy. I'm surprised that this thing is very sturdy. It's aluminum base, very light. One person can lift it up, not too much heavy weight on it. And this board can not just be used for actually drywall erasers or markers, but you guys can clip papers too. So if you want to have your own presentation, you can put it above here. Another thing is that I see people that paint this to different colors so they can project their projector screen into there, because you cannot project in here. It's gonna be glossy, so you have to do a different coating or maybe a mesh in here. So this could be also used for that too. Very simple, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.